Welcome to Consumer Picks. The best king cake is probably one of the most iconic and delicious treats to emerge from the vibrant culinary traditions of Louisiana, especially during Mardi Gras season, offering a delightful journey through rich flavors and festive symbolism that captures the spirit of celebration in every slice, making it a must-have indulgence for anyone looking to experience a taste of authentic Southern festivity and sweet, creamy goodness. Number 5. Premium Bao Bread Slicer. Tired of crushing your sourdough? Our unique bao design and sharp blade let you slice through crusty bread without damaging the soft inside. Enjoy perfect loaves every time. Achieve thin, even cuts like a professional baker. The long, curved blade ensures consistent results for sandwiches, toast, or any homemade bread. Get that perfect slice every time. Designed with you in mind, the ergonomic bamboo handle offers a comfortable, non-slip grip. Its lightweight feel reduces fatigue, making slicing a breeze even for extended use. Our specially widened blade cuts all the way through your bread. It's built to last, resisting bending and rust, ensuring durability for all your baking needs. More than just a tool, it's a beautiful kitchen accessory. Its elegant design makes it a perfect gift for any home baker or bread enthusiast. What we like? Never crush your sourdough crumb again with this premium slicer. Its unique bow structure and serrated blade provide stable leverage for effortless slicing. If you're a sourdough enthusiast who values a perfect crumb structure and enjoys the process of baking crusty loaves, this is the tool for you. What people say. This book is a treasure trove of king cake history and recipes. It covers the origins of king cake, its cultural significance, and provides a wide variety of recipes from different regions. The photography in this book is stunning, showcasing beautiful king cakes and the traditions surrounding them. It's a feast for the eyes as well as a culinary guide. I appreciated the detailed instructions for each recipe, making it easy to follow even for beginners. The tips on decorating were particularly helpful. Number 4. Nutrichef Electric Crepe Maker Pan and Griddle. Experience perfectly cooked crepes, roti, and pancakes every time. Its 12-inch non-stick surface ensures even heat distribution for consistent results. Achieve your desired cooking results with ease. Adjustable temperature control and LED indicators allow for precise and consistent cooking every time. Say goodbye to sticking and hello to effortless flipping. The non-stick coating makes cooking and cleanup a breeze. This versatile pan isn't just for crepes. It doubles as a griddle, perfect for cooking a variety of dishes like pancakes and roti. Get everything you need to start cooking right away. It includes a spatula and batter spreader for perfect crepes and pancakes. What we like? Achieve perfectly cooked crepes, roti, and pancakes with this versatile electric maker. Its non-stick surface and precise temperature control ensure consistent results and easy cleanup. If you love making breakfast favorites or enjoy experimenting with different flatbreads, this appliance offers convenience and excellent performance. What people say. This book is a treasure trove of recipes and history. It covers a wide variety of king cakes from different regions and traditions. The instructions are clear and easy to follow, even for beginners. Number 3. PAPAUL'S King Cake Mix. Bring the spirit of Mardi Gras to your home with this authentic New Orleans king cake mix. It's an easy way to create a delicious, traditional dessert. Inside, you'll find everything you need for a rich praline filling. This adds a delightful sweetness and classic flavor to your cake. Making this classic Louisiana dessert at home has never been easier. Enjoy the fun of baking and the joy of a perfectly made king cake. This comprehensive kit includes glaze and colored sugars for decoration. You'll also find the traditional baby figurine for good luck. Gather your loved ones and celebrate any occasion with this festive and flavorful king cake. It's perfect for birthdays, holidays, or just because. What we like? Experience the authentic taste of New Orleans with this easy-to-use king cake kit. It includes everything you need for a delicious homemade Mardi Gras treat. If you're looking to bring a festive and flavorful dessert to your celebrations or simply want to try a classic Louisiana delicacy, this kit is a perfect choice. What people say. This book is a comprehensive guide to king cake, covering its history, variations, and recipes. It features beautiful photography and detailed instructions, making it easy to follow along. The book includes a wide range of recipes, from traditional to modern interpretations of king cake. Number 2. Sourdough Starter Kit, 38 ounces with Cookbook. Unlock the secrets to perfect sourdough with our all-in-one kit. It includes everything you need to create and maintain your starter with ease. Our kit features a wide-mouthed jar for simple adding, stirring, and cleaning. A handy spatula and precise measuring cups ensure perfect results every time. Beginners can master sourdough starter creation in just 3 minutes with our step-by-step visual instructions and helpful video guides. Explore 8 categories of delicious recipes. Easily monitor feeding times and starter levels with our date-marked bands. The included thermometer ensures optimal room temperature for healthy growth. This 38-ounce kit is ideal for making up to 5 loaves of bread. Its heat-shock-tolerant glass jar is designed for convenient family use and storage. Crafted by expert bakers, this kit is perfect for starting a new family tradition. Plus, enjoy our dedicated 24/7 customer support for any questions you may have. What we like? Embark on your sourdough journey with this comprehensive starter kit. It includes all the essential tools and easy-to-follow instructions for beginners. If you're new to bread baking and want a hassle-free way to create your own sourdough starter and loaves, this kit provides everything you need to succeed. What people say. This book is a treasure trove of information about king cake. It covers the history, traditions, and recipes of king cake from various regions. The photography is beautiful and really showcases the artistry of king cake. Number 1. The Cookie Companion, a Decorator's Guide. Discover the art of cookie decorating with our comprehensive guide. Elevate your creations from simple treats to edible masterpieces. Learn essential techniques, from piping and flooding to intricate detailing. We break down every step for stunning results. Whether you're just starting or looking to refine your skills, this guide offers valuable insights. Achieve professional-looking cookies with ease. Explore a gallery of inspiring designs and creative ideas. Get ready to impress your friends and family with your decorated cookies. This is your go-to resource for all things cookie decorating. Unlock your potential and make every cookie a work of art. What we like? Elevate your cookie decorating skills with this specialized guide. It offers expert tips and techniques for creating beautiful cookies. If you're passionate about cookie art, enjoy intricate designs, or want to impress with your baked creations, this companion book is an invaluable resource. What people say. The book is a comprehensive guide to king cake. It features detailed recipes and historical information about king cake. The book includes beautiful illustrations and photographs of various king cakes. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.